They're black holes that are formed at the consequence of the death of stars. And we think we understand the formation of stars well enough to say, well, a star is born with this much mass, and it'll lose a certain amount of mass over its life. All stars lose mass because there's so much pressure and so much energy coming out, it carries particles with it. So they lose mass. The sun is losing mass as we speak. It's called the solar wind. So everybody loses mass out there. The question is, at what rate are you losing mass? Is it a lot compared to your total mass? Very high mass stars are not especially stable objects. They remain stars for 100,000, at most a million years, and they'll explode and become a supernova. If you're more massive than that, they will not explode because the gravity is so strong that it cannot explode against the strength of the gravity, and it collapses into a black hole. So we expect black holes to have slightly less mass, somewhat less mass than the most massive stars that we know how to make. So if you have 100 times the mass of the sun, it'll lose half of its mass over its life, and you have a black hole that's 30 times the mass of the sun or 50 times the mass of the sun.